Hi, welcome back to my channel. Summer is finally here, and I know so many of us want to have that glowy look without looking sweaty. Keep watching to the end, and I'll show you how to get that nice glowy look like this one in just 3 easy steps. We all want to look glowy in the summertime. So what I'm going to use today is two of my favorite products, which they might seem counterintuitive, but they definitely get the job done. We are going to start with the Becca Cosmetics liquid illuminator in rose gold, and then I'm actually going to use it's actually like a tinted moisturizer, NARS Velvet Matte Skin Tint. And I know when you think matte, you think that you don't want it shiny and illuminated, but I like to use this one because then it kind of gives you that glowy look without looking sweaty. So the way that I like to apply this, I've got my mirror here to keep me going, is I like to apply this just at the high points of our face. So around my cheekbones, and you can be liberal, a little bit across my forehead, down the bridge of my nose, my little button nose, and my chin. And I'll just kind of rub it in. Whenever you're applying stuff on your face, the ring finger is always best because it's the most delicate finger. And so it's just going to be the easiest on that delicate skin that we have on our face. I've already done my brows and I've already done my concealer. I look pretty illuminated, don't I? Now we're going to go back over it with our velvet tint, but I'm going to apply it with like a foundation. I'm not going to apply it like a tinted moisturizer. Well, I apply all my tinted moisturizers with a brush. That's basically what I'm going to get it. And so I'm just going to use my flat top kabuki brush. And I like to start with this foundation around the mouth, so it just kind of covers that a little bit of pigmentation I have around my mouth. And then you just apply your foundation over your face like you usually do. And we're going for the glowy. So we are going to layer with some pressed shimmering skin perfector from Becca, same color in rose gold. I'm getting that pop. I know when I get real close, it looks a little washed out, but here you can see the highlights there. And then just to set it, we're going to set it with just a little bit of translucent powder. And I like to use Laura Mercier translucent powder in dark. And this is good to just kind of kick back the shine without taking out the glow. So there you have it. So, and just to review the 3 easy ways that you can have glowy skin: apply a liquid highlight first, apply your favorite matte foundation or natural finish foundation, then go over again with your favorite pressed highlight, and then add a quick setting powder and voila, you've got your perfect glowy skin for the summer to go out and enjoy yourself. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like it and share it with your friends.